Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix high ping in Fortnite and reduce your packet loss while playing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, we're going to exit the game. And then from here, you're going to go to your CMD, right click, and then run as administrator. And then you're going to paste these commands one by one after you run it, and I'll leave it all in the description down below. Once you run each one by one till the end, you're going to close this, and then close CMD. Then from here, you're going to go to PowerShell, right click, and run as administrator. And from here, you're going to paste this other code that I'm going to also leave in the description down below. This one right here, you're just going to copy it, go and paste and enter, and that's pretty much it. Once you finish with this and close it, you're going to search for network, view network connections, click on the internet that you're connected to, go to properties. From here, you're going to search for Internet Protocol version 4, then go to properties again. Then use the following DNS server addresses, which is going to be 8888. And then here 8844, and then click OK and then exit. And then you're going to have to restart your computer, and hopefully that should help you work. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.